What's happening, beautiful people? We are live. We are live. We are live. What's happening? Let me get situated. Let's go. How y'all doing this morning? This is your guy, Mr. Holistic. It is Tuesday, May 13th, and man, what a day. What a day. What a day it is. Let's go. Let's go. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. Wonderland, what's happening? Patrice, what's happening? Cut it down. There we go. We in there. I'm gonna let this room fill up. I need to clean my glasses off. I'm doing amazing, Sean. I got great sleep last night. I actually fell asleep meditating last night, to be honest. I fell asleep while meditating. What's happening? Supreme Rising. Supreme Rising. What up, Julie? What up, baby? What up, Julie? What up, Julie? Ding, 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 ding. I'm excited tonight. We got our live session tonight in Vegas. So we're gonna try to keep the timing so I can make it back home to do our actually late night trading session. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited for that. But as this room fill up, you guys know what to do. Hit that thumbs up. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you even share the channel to someone that you know that needs a good lifting. You know what I'm saying? Needs a good elevated situation. We got some little Cuban swag on right now. How y'all doing? Supreme Rising. What up, Maggie? What up, Mag Swag? Yeah, man, yesterday was so busy for me yesterday, man, because I just got back in town. We had so much going on. What's up, Leslie? What up, Jen? What up, Siobhan? D'Angelo, what's poppin'? What's happening? Megan? What's happening? Claudia? I see y'all. So as you guys come into the live, make sure you zoom in, get the zones from gold. Get your zones from gold. I just want to talk about the market today. Talked about the market a little bit. What I expect to happen this week. I think because of the actual news in China, with the deals in China that have been made, I think we're going to see gold hit lower lows and we're going to see indices hit higher highs. I think right now everything is like kind of reacting. So we're going to see what like news does to it. I don't think I marked up NASDAQ, so let's clear everything. Oh, I didn't know they were going to be singing. Let's go. I didn't know they were going to be singing. What up, Jalen? What up, baby? Looking good, bro. What up, Langston? Alma Garcia. What's happening? Yo, Faye, what's happening? My boy King Giant here. What's happening? What up, Math? Am I going to see you tonight? Am I seeing you tonight, Math? Buenos dias. Buenos dias, Elena. Buenos dias, Elena. Let's go see NASDAQ. I think I'm going to go back to my original. I forgot to stop hating on my live and coming in here and doing all that talking. We be needing the music. There it is. There it is. So let's see. You know what I'm not liking on my streaming? I can't delete alarms. So they like sit over here, but they're not on my phone. So when I delete them on my phone, but they show up on my screen, and then you can't move them. Well, I guess you can move them, but we'll be all right. They weren't being able to move a few minutes ago. It's like when you tell the doctor or you go to the mechanic, it's like, yo, this is working. This ain't working on my car. And then you take your car over there, and as soon as you get to the mechanic, it start working. What's happening, beautiful people? Let's put some fire in the chat for being blessed and highly favored this morning. We got 75 beautiful people showing up at 4 in the morning on the West Coast. That's a beautiful thing. Y'all already know what to do. If you in here, hit the thumbs up. Make sure you like. Make sure you also subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell. Cut the notifications on so we can basically go through it. I'm going to slide through the actual zones that I've already marked up from gold and US 30. Give you guys the actual zones that we have. Here's your zones for gold. And if you can't see them because you say it's blurry, you can zoom in and see them. You have a 3,267 to a 3,264 sell zone. You have really big news. I think it already happened. I don't know if it happened or not, but we have news today. So that zone is valid. You also have a 3209 to a 3212 buy on gold. These are valid. These are all good gaps that are on the 4 hour from a daily markup. Just to let you guys know from here to here. There's those gaps. The buy zone could probably take off before or a little bit after the actual modest. So if I see a big red candle coming in here, I'll switch my modest to aggressive and then go 30 pips down again. So if my modest is 3212, my aggressive will be 3212, and then my modest will be 32. Let's say I want to say 32. So it'll go from like 12 to So my modest is 9. So it'll go from 9 to being my aggressive to literally like 6. Just to let y'all know. So if you see a big candle, let me say it again. Big red candle coming in. The zone goes from 3209 to 3206 versus 3209 to 3212. Put some 8s in the chat if you understand that. Yeah, no, I see it. It don't give me the garbage can. It gives me something. It gives me something different, Sean. Like, well, I guess if I double click it. Let's see. Maybe you was right. Yeah, it still don't do it for me, bro. Cause I can get this screen up, but it don't do nothing for me. It don't. You see? I double click it. You can edit it, but something is up with the. I don't know. It's okay. We're not tripping. Any alarms are good alarms. Everybody got that? Everybody got that? Here's our US 30. Look at all these alarms sitting down here. Let's see if we can delete them. Boom. No, you can't even get this screen out, but it's okay. Right now I have a sell zone for 42,557 to 42,527. Sell on Dirty 30. I haven't set it up yet. Let me see if I set it up yet. No, I haven't set it up yet, but I was just writing it out. There's a little gap right here. Let me see that gap again. Oh yeah, right there. Buy out. That's where it's at. That's where it's at. My spirit just told me that. That's a daily rejection. That's a daily. Yo, Eliana, you remember when we was in Boston and I told Paola, when you see that EMA 9 and that EMA 200 like sitting literally like this, when you see them sitting like that, that's like a slingshot to the heavens. So I would literally wait until see this right here and bink, just like that. So we're gonna give 41. It's far, but nothing is too far when you start talking about the news here. 41,484. a smaller zone. We'll do a smaller zone. 41,000. We'll do. Do I want to do the 5 or do I want to do down here? Yeah, let's go up under there. So let's go. 484. See which one that is. My shit is like not moving right now. Yo, quit tripping on me and stop doing that. Stop doing that. We'll do 454. We'll stick with that. I'm like typing the way I'm thinking. So let's set this up. Let's go your 4 hours. Yeah, that's like right in the middle of that gap down here. That's right in the middle of that gap. I'm gonna put it right there. Gotta do the parameters. You guys got the zones. You guys got the zones. So we're gonna go 42,557 to boom, right there. Bayou. Make that red. Everybody should have those zones. Let's go do NASDAQ. My bad, I'm not even looking at the comments. I'm like in a zone right now. News comes in hard, make 3209 aggressive. Yes, Max. Yes. Yeah, I've already did that, Siobhan. I refreshed it and everything. It doesn't, I'm telling you, it's because of like this is like shared to my Mac. I think if I just get on my Mac and just do it directly on the Mac, it'll do it. But I think because it's through a software, it's like a little hitch or something on there. Because today I can't even see my viewers and like all of that stuff. So it's like normally I can see how many people coming in, who just clicked the like. I can see everything. Like we got 107 people in here and almost like 35 people ain't clicked likes yet. You see, I used to be able to see them. Like today I can't see y'all ass. So y'all lucky. Y'all lucky. I ain't gonna personally wish nothing on you right now. What was the zone for the gold sale? Lady D, 100 push-ups. That's what it was. 100 push-ups. So let's talk about the markets. Listen, if you guys are not realizing that we had an amazing day as an America, as a country. We made deals with China. We have brought back hostages. We have slashed medical prices to like 80% from 30%. So we literally took a big blow to Big Pharma. You see, so these are really big things that are going to happen in the market, and it's going to take the market a little time to adjust. So when Mr. DT gets on there and says it's a good time to buy stock, well, it's not the good time to buy the stock right now. It's a good time to start looking at the stock, marking up the stock, finding the zone, patience, waiting on your zone, and pressing the button. The biggest issue I see a lot of you guys having on a daily basis is the impulse of waiting to press the button. Put some 8s in the chat if you can relate. I was in the bathroom and couldn't. Ooh, that was an expensive bathroom break, Lady D. That was we'll eventually shift back to gold, so don't worry. But that's an expensive bathroom break. What up, OT Mac? What's up, Miss Salgado? What's happening? So When you fail to, I think the reason why most have that impulsive like addiction is because you're not getting other factors. It's like you're going right here to the Forex factory, you're seeing the folders, but you're not going over here and like saying, okay, let's go see why I should be more cautious and not literally press the button so fast. Like, I don't know if you guys don't know that. You have like little folders next to the folder. Put some ones in the chat if you did not know that. Let me say that again. Let me exit out of it. I have a CPI report at 5:30 a.m. There's a little folder right here. You can click that folder, read for change, read, and you will immediately see the information that is going to cause the market to react totally against your actual analysis or go with your analysis. So imagine, here it is, change in price of goods and services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. You see, this is what we're talking about today. Actual greater than forecast is a good for currencies, you see? So that lets me know, if we go look at JPY pairs, that the JPY pairs are all gonna be going up. Watch, let me show you. I'll show you right now. We'll start with GBP JPY. Bink, look at that. Get over there. Going up. I haven't marked it up in a minute. Yo, come on. Oh, there it is. These are all old markups. This is from last Tuesday. I was marking this up. Yeah, these are Tuesday markups. Boom. Trend line rejection, crossed over, flew. Chef JPY. Look at them. They all going up. Let's go again. CAD JPY. All going up. We can even like remove all of the markups so you guys can just see it. See it naked. You can see it naked. Boom. I want you guys to see it naked. Euro JPY. Look, everything is going up. That's what that means. Everything is going up. Pink. Y'all see it? Put some 8s in the chat. So that's why I called the title of the live today. The bull run is here. The bulls are back in town. The bulls are back in town, guys. So if the bulls are back in town, that means we're consistently looking for positions to buy. And if you're scalping, that means you're scalping sales. Let me say that again. The bulls are back in town. How often should we mark up charts? Every damn day, Elizabeth, for the simple fact the market is always changing. You might not have to mark up a whole total new thing, but you don't have to do a total top-down analysis, but I'm always adjusting my zones. So for an example, let's go to NASDAQ. I haven't played with NASDAQ right now for you guys. If I go to the week, I'm pretty aware what NASDAQ is doing. I'm pretty aware. I see NASDAQ, I see what it is. This is a weekly candle. It has no rejection. It's full green, no wicks. So that lets me know she trying to come up here. You see, this is the weekly. She trying to come up here. So if I just literally make my weekly roof and just look at that analysis beside all of these bullshit alarms sitting right here. Let's see if we can move them. There we go. Get out of the way, y'all. Get out of the way. Stay y'all asses down here. There we go. There's your weekly high. Here's your weekly low. Bye, y'all. We're going to make these yellow so there's a major difference. And if you guys are not watching the video, and by the way, for those who don't go back and leave comments, if I show y'all the comments on the videos where y'all just made a whole bunch of money on, it's so disrespectful. It's so disrespectful. I'm telling y'all, I might make my class for veteran elites only, not just for any elite. I might make it just for veteran elites because I'm so accurate. I might make it only for veteran elites. You know what I'm saying? People who, I might make my class for the individuals that only press the like button, because I can go back in analytics and just literally see who pressed the like button and who pressed it faster than the other people and make the class specifically for those people. I think I might do that. That might be a better choice on y'all ass. That might be a better choice on y'all ass. Y'all realize last week I went like 9-1 on zones I gave y'all? You see what I'm saying? Y'all crazy. So annoying. I'm telling y'all. Fuck around and get y'all one day a week. One day. Let's go. Let's find that daily. Here's a little daily rejection. Oh yeah, we can find her. We can get her. We can get her. Bye out. Booyah. Yeah, I might make it only for veteran elites. Or I might just make it for only for my elites. Just say the hell with everybody else. If your leader or the person brought you in can't help you, then the hell with you. Because I was just praying just yesterday, and I was praying about this and the energy I put into this. And you know what I got out of that prayer? You can't take everybody. Everybody ain't going. You can take them to the water, but you can't make motherfuckers think. You can take them to the water, but you can't make them think. You see what I'm saying? I'm telling you, y'all get in here, man. All y'all want is, give me the down, give me the down, give me the down. Nobody's telling me you're welcome for your service, Mr. Holistic. Nobody is saying you're welcome. Thank you for your service. You can't take everybody, but it's okay. It's okay. Look at NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ. She just jumped up. She just jumped up on us on the 4 hour. Well, you actually have nothing on NASDAQ right now. She's like in the middle right now. So let me give you guys an example. Here's an example how I will not find a trade or won't give a trade on a particular pair. You see how the daily candle right here shows you that it's pulled from the floor at 20,746? I use this daily top because this is like hella close. If I use this right here, 9 out of 10, the sell zone will get blown through because of this area here. So if I go to the 4 hour, I will find the gap right here to give you just a little bit of pippage. But judging this candle, judging the weekly candle, it's literally, look at this. It's like playing with fire. It's literally like playing with fire because she can easily come here for just no reason. She can come right here. So y'all gotta understand that. People acting like yeah, that's for sure. Shahida, what's happening, baby? What's happening? What's happening? I'm telling you, I'm finna start segregating y'all as y'all gonna be calling me racist. I'm finna be racist. I'm racist for people who don't know how to press the thumbs up button but know how to get in class and press the zones, press the button and ask for zones. Like the same thumbs you use for asking for zones, and this is not for you, Lady D. This is not towards you. This is not towards you. The same thumbs you use to ask for a zone is the same thumbs you use to hit the thumbs up. I'm telling y'all. The bull's gone wild. The bull's gone wild. So I'll be looking for, if I go to the 4 hour, I'll be looking for more of a retracement back down here, to be honest with you guys. Back where she came from. But I'm gonna leave NASDAQ alone because there's no gaps. There's no gaps. And then where I naturally put it, because I think news could take her there. Let's go back to the day. Is over here, you see? News could easily bring you here today. I see look at all of these wicks, why I say that. Look at all of these wicks. Every time the market pulled in here, she pulled back up. Look, boom, boom, boom. So I would literally just say, let's just put a buy zone. Let me mark it for you guys. Let's buy where she took off from. 20,746. 20,007. Let's go 7. Let's do a smaller zone. Let's do 726. Yeah, we'll do like that. Finance. That would be our zones. That would be the zone. 46. Oop. That's our buy zone. That's our buy zone, fam. So if she comes back in, I like we can take her back up. If we get a little candle, just go like that, beep beep beep, we can take her back up. We can take her back up. I like it. I like the buy versus the sell. Oop. 46. I don't want to get fooled. There she goes. Let's go here. Got 24, 46. 26. And we should be good. Yeah, it's like a 200 pip zone. Yeah, it's like a 200 pip zone, like right up in here. And then fly her up. We should see her do like this. If we get anything, pull back in here, bang, head to the roof. That's a weekly move. That could happen in the week. Like that could happen sometime this week. You could get a good, nice little candle today and just go bing, bing, like that, because you got a little, like some weird movement in the markets right now. The dollar, let's talk about the dollar. As you see, the dollar is rising. The dollar is spiking because they're making deals. People are now rushing to start basically purchasing things from China. Let me say that again. The dollar hit a spike because of the deals that was made, and now people are rushing to purchase things from China when they were stalling out. When they were stalling things out and had all of the tariff talk, nobody was purchasing from China with these scare tactics of Trump's tariff talks of 245% tariffs. So nobody was buying. Now that they slashed it, paused it, and did whatever they're going to do to it, dropped it down, now you start talking about boom, spiked, which what I say is the reason why I think gold, we will see some drops in gold. So I would like to see gold push up to 67, 64, and then give us a nice spike all the way back down to 32.08, 32.09, that area, like that, and then start buying her back up again. If she flushes through this zone, I will be literally still holding on to that sale right now. Because like I said, the way she went down, if you look at that's the 1 hour. Let's go back to the 4 hour. You can see the trend right here. Y'all can see the trend right there. Let's go. Boom. You see it? There's your trend right there. There's so many freaking alarms in here. So now when you get to the nitty gritty of that trend on the 4 hour, people know I like trend line rejections. My zone is right here at the trend line rejection. Like, so this is like a must take. That's a must take. Like we get bing, boom, we should get the drop. We should get the drop. Are we going to see that in class? Who knows? We're right here in the mix. We are right here in the mix, beautiful people. Oh yeah, most people press as soon as they get in here. Oh, I know you don't. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Lady D. It's okay. I was going to give it to you. Just with some stipulations. It was going to come with some stipulations, no mama. It's going to come with some stipulations. Now, yeah, we got some real pip zombies in here. We got some real pip zombies here. Yeah, you like that setup, Mac? I think that's beautiful. I think that's a beautiful setup for gold to take a nice little sale. And then if it blows through it, you just take the same zone. You take the same zone, and it's just a retest, a break close retest buy. So let me show you guys again. This is how I trade. If the market comes, I'm going to take it. I always take my zones. The market comes here, I'm going to go boop, and I'm going to take that sale. Bang. Always. I always take my sales. We'll leave it right there for some odd reason. It's acting funky. We'll put it like that. Boom. All right? I'm always going to take my sales. I'm not afraid to lose in anything that I'm doing. Never afraid to lose. So if it breaks through, I close. She retests back in that same zone, and she gives me this movement right here. Yo, either my mouse about to die, or this shit is like really hating. It'll be like that. It'll be like that. Anybody got any questions as we keep going? Anybody got any questions as we keep going? We have 122 beautiful people in here. What's going on, Wayne? What's going on, Wayne? Daniela, what's happening? What's happening? Good to see you in here this morning. Good to see you in here this morning. Kareem, what's happening? So there's your gold analysis. There's your gold analysis. Look at this. Look at over here on the side. And I don't know if you don't know this, but if you click over here, you see this? You can click right there. Boom. That'll give you news. It'll give you ideas. This is just gold. Here he goes. Stocks edge up. Dollar eases as trade deals. Sugar rush fades. You see that? Stock edges up. Dollar dips as trade deals. Sugar rush fades. It tells you again. 3 hours ago, gold rates on May 13th. Yellow metals prices dip. Check the latest rates in your city today. Here's all little information that sits here and tells you Asian stock stalls, dollar wobbles as trade optimism fizzles. You see? Asian markets cheer as pause in U.S.-China trade war boosts risk. But you see what I'm saying? So like people are realizing the risk to do business in China is not that risky anymore because they see the deals being made. The art of the deal. The art of the deal. I called a gold buy last night, 32.18, 32.21. Yes, yes. To be honest, I was in this buy right here, right there. I think 32.16. So we was like right in the same moment. I just closed her because when she approached that EMA 9, I didn't like how that candle was acting. So I just took this money last night. I just took that money last night and then literally went to sleep. Last night I had such a rough day yesterday, so I was like literally just wanted to like detox last night. So I was like meditating, I was doing breath work, and I was doing it sitting on the couch and hashtag lights out. Hashtag lights out. I woke up with my glasses sideways, still had a hat on, so I was all bad last night on the couch. Your oil sell zone from April 15th hit again yesterday for a nice drop. This is exactly where I was heading, Wayne. This is exactly where I was heading, to oil. Yeah, there she goes. There she goes. This little drop right here, right? That little drop right there. So let's clear out oil. Let's clear her out. Let's go get her again. Let's go to the week. See what we got on the week. See what she looking like. Oil finna die. Oil finna die. Oil gonna die. You're gonna die today. That's a week. That's a week. Let's get it. Let's get it. Get our weekly high. Let's get our weekly low. Buy out. Let's go to our day. Super simple. Make it big. Go to the daily candle. See that it is literally bullish. It is bullish. Has little wick here. So we will take it. The top. Buy out. That's your daily high. Buy out. And let's go. We're gonna go, do we wanna go here? Or do we wanna go here? Let's go. Oil moves a little funny, so let me just give you guys, let's do it. I like it. I like it. Well, oh, give me my line, baby. Give me my line. Give me my line. Oh, yeah, right there. Let's dig. I can dig it. I can dig it. Look at that boost. Look at that boost right there in our face. Look at that boost right there in our face. To be honest, you got like almost like a slingshot popping off right now. This is like a little wraparound right now. So here's the gap. Here's the gap. That's 63.54. Yeah, 54 to 24. we'll keep it like that. Sell oil. Buyout. That's adjusted. Buyout. So we got 56. Actually, we're gonna change it to 56 to 26. Bang. That's more alignment. That's the alignment. Actually, no. The daily roof is at 4. My bad. We're gonna go 54.24. My bad, guys. There it is. I'm gonna straighten, put these where they need to be. 54. 24. So when you guys see me, if you are trying to put your highlight in a certain area, to be able to put it exactly where you have your markups at, all you do is click it, click the little settings wheel, go to coordinates, and you can type in your coordinates right here, and that'll give you the exact zones that you need. Buy zone. 61.57. Let's go 61.87. Buy oil. Bang, 57. It's like right up in here. Bang. Yeah, coordinates are on point now. Excuse me, 87, please. Thank you. There you go. There's your oil zones. I believe we should see like a nice little retracement back. We might get the aggressive and then she'll fly up, but the sell zone is what we want. The sell zone is what we want. We want news to push her kind of like right up in here. We'll look at oil. U.S. crude oil stockpiles likely rose 7.6 million barrels in a week, ended May 9th. Macquarie, whatever his name is. Crude oil prices hold steady as markets evaluate oversupplies outlooks, U.S.-China trade war developments. Like these are all little things that you can like look into and like see what the Asian market did. Oil retreats from 2 weeks high. Commodities intraday targets key levels. So oil edges lower amidst prospects of Russia-Ukraine peace talks. So the Russia-Ukraine thing happened. So that's where you start seeing all of these little breakouts and these little drops and things like that. I believe oil drops overall because when you look at her on that 4 hour on a higher level, check it out. Once again, you can start putting trend lines from the ultimate higher high. You can see the breakouts, buyout. You have one fake out right there. And there she goes again. There she goes. Let's put it right up in here. Buyout. So you have your natural fake out right here. That's a fake out because it just came like this and then dropped back even lower. This is the W right here on your 4 hour. So it would have to break out of this area to make a brand new bull run on oil, which I don't think it will. I think she just comes up, takes out stop losses that are all up in here from people selling. You see, so people were selling right here, And now they got stop losses like right up in here. See, people got stop losses right here. And that's why the market will push up. Come get them. Come get the people. Bink, bink. This is what I like to see on oil overall. This is what I like to see on overall. Bink, 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 bink. Like that. Y'all got it? Anybody got any question? We will make oil money. Yep. And we're going to buy camels. We're going to buy camels. I have to learn to trade her. I did once with an ignorant mindset and she took advantage of me. Oh shit, you sound like my old girlfriends when I was in high school. Well, he was a star basketball player and I really thought he was going to marry me. Oh my God. Yeah, bro. Yo, King, bro. I'm telling you, bro. When I fell asleep, I woke up literally like literally. I think it was like, hold 1 second. I'll tell you the exact time I woke up. I woke up literally like at 2:40. I woke up at 2:40. 2:40 on the dot. Oh my God, Jesse, I thought we were gonna be our last breath together. I thought we were gonna go against the odds. We're gonna go against the odds. They thought it was love and basketball, bro. I was just trying to see what the drill team skirt looked like. I was trying to see what the cheerleading. I was trying to see what the pom-poms look like, you know? I was interested in the pom-poms. Let's go, you know? Yeah, they will. Oil and US 30 will have you like talking to your loved ones and to your friends like, I just literally today I just don't understand what's going on and I just had my sons and I just fuck up all the time, you know. Let me tell you, I know that voice too much. I'm telling you, and if anybody think that I'm even talking about them, I only talk about myself. I get that voice so quick. I used to when I used to make big mistakes. Mistakes, do you draw a trend line on the upward from 55.26 to the current price? That's crossing of the two. Does that mean anything to you? Talking about the trend line that I just drew on oil, Ms. Blanca. It's a long ass question. You might owe me about 10 push-ups for making me read like that early in the morning. That's a big ass question. You lucky me and Wayne cool. Poppy, do you still like the zone with oil? Which zone, Patrice? The 64. I mean, yeah. Any oil on zone, if she goes up there, I like her, but because she's gonna drop. Because like that is like literally like up in here. She's like she would come here. She would just come to the next area of dropping. So let me remove that, so people get confused. So what I like to do, Griselda, I just took from the higher high and I just drove it straight down. Just drove it straight down where the actual trend was being rejected from, you see. So if you go into there, you will see it where it basically came in, retest, drop, you see. So now I'm just basically following it. If I go to like a 1 hour, you will really see it. Like you see, you will really see it on the 1 hour. You see that? So that gives you like direct on the 1 hour. Come on. I think my mouse about to die. I gotta charge my mouse, y'all. I gotta charge my mouse up. You go to the day, look at the day. You see, look at the day. So the higher the time frame, the more accurate that is going to be. Look at that right there. Look at that right there, Griselda. Look at that, right there on the money. That's a daily trend line rejection. There's our markups right here. Look at that right there. That is sniper action. That is sniper action. That candle comes into here right there. I'm for sure gonna hit her. I'm for sure gonna hit her like that. Let's set that alarm. Let's set that alarm. With the Wakanda music in the background. It's 4:46. I was intention to see 4:44 on y'all ass today. Hey. Oh, you still owe me push-ups. Don't get it twisted. That was a very long question. You could have said, Miss Days, what made you just draw the trend line from the top to the bottom? I would have got you. But when you threw the 55% in there, I thought, well, wait a minute, like that's just like when you owe somebody, when you get to the cash register and you're a cashier and the total is $15.75 or $15.76, and then somebody gives you a 20, and after you hit the change button, they say, well, wait a minute, I got a penny. Then you sitting there counting on your fingers because you don't know how much change you got to get a person. That's what you did to me right now. I said 55%. Oh man, I appreciate it, Max. I appreciate it. That's right, Wayne. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah, so that's what we got on oil, beautiful people. I think that's a good play. I'm like really cautious on the buy, to be honest with you, but it's going up like that. So I see us getting this same little drop. Also, anytime you see trend line rejections on higher time frames, if they pierce them and go over them, give it a little minute because they can drop right back in there. Don't take the break close retest too quick, but also understand that like if it breaks through and it's still under the actual daily roof, it ain't done yet. If it breaks out of the daily roof, closes above the daily roof, this is when I say, all right, it's going to break close retest. Let me say that again. If I see a trade and I'm going to take a trend line rejection trade, meaning I'm going to take my sell right here to down here. If this candle pushes past my daily roof, meaning 63.54, and closes past it, if it closes under there, I'm still going to hold her and see what she does on the following candle. And once I get the BCR and I see rejection on the trend, that's when I close my sale and I switch to the buy. Nintendo? Because how many times have you closed your sale, switch to the buy, and then it drops back into your trend? Put a 1 in the chat if that's happening to you. So you have to be aware of the fake out. So I'm like, cool, because it shows me that the market likes to drop right here. It shows me, look at that. Boom, 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 boom. So we right here. She should pull up there and give us that nice little drop down. But I would only close her if she goes past 54, closes past 54, checks back into like the 24 range, the 12 range, like this little range, wherever this, right here, to be honest. Then I buy her back up, and then you got this whole range over here to buy back up. It'll come at least about right here to that 64, 68. She'll come up into this range like that. Y'all got it? Y'all got it? I hope y'all got it. Let's see what else we got. Gold haven't moved. I opened her up. She was at 53. She's at 52 now. So she hasn't moved. She's sitting right up in here. So I'm going to remove all of this. Keep the charts clean. Bang. She might leave us. She might leave us. But we're going to see. We're going to see. Anybody got any question? We're in the last 10 minutes of class. You guys got NASDAQ. You guys got US 30. You guys got oil. I think I only gave a buy on NASDAQ. Yeah, only gave a buy on NASDAQ. Buy out. So there's your buy. Here's your US 30s. And again, screenshot, zoom in, do what you gotta do. Like that. There's your gold. Here's your US oils. Your US essential oils. Oh, did I not type them? Oh, I typed them in there. Where you at? Oh, there she goes. There she goes. I was like, I know I typed these things in there. Everybody should be good. We Gucci? Yeah, we just waiting on news now. Now it's patience. So again, let me say this again before I get up off here, because I was just talking about the impulse. You understand that if I just gave you zones from here to here, I'm extremely accurate with my zones, not literally trying to brag, but my zones are extremely accurate. And I mean, tell you, don't get lost in the sauce trying to catch it to go from zone to zone, because now you're assuming that she's going to come here. You're going to assume that she's going to come here. Let her come here and then go down with her. Let her come here and then go up with her. Like these are the only the decisions you should be making. Anything up in here is going to be difficult for you for the simple fact because it's not in a zone. You're just trading candles. So when you jump into like open bail and then they start jumping to the 1 hour, to the 30 minutes, and they start giving you scalp plays, don't be trying to hold on to them. Make your money and get out of them. Because you're in the middle. You're in the middle. That's what I keep telling you guys. You're in the middle. You're in the middle. Ooh, I want to see this little pull back up and drop. I want to see that pull up and drop. Give me the pull up and drop on the 30. Like that. But can you show gold again? Gold is right there. Gold is right there. But you owe me push-ups, and you're lucky I was already right there. Jazzy. Jazzy Fit Mom. And you got that tag, so you probably can give me real push-ups too. You probably give me real push-ups. Everybody good? Everybody's good today? Y'all show some love on the live. Show some love on the live. Get some screenshots. Drop them on your, tag me on your social media. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all what we represent right now. What we represent. What we represent, baby, every day, all day. What we represent every day, all day. Beautiful people. I'm gonna strap it on my shoulder. I even got my OBG shirt on. I don't even know if y'all can see it. But boom, I even got my OBG shirt on right now. So we classy right now. We classy right now. We are classy. Let me put it like this so y'all can get the whole swag on. I came on OBG ready today. I said, let me put my uniform on when I come perform. Let me put the uniform on. Everybody got zones for today. Be patient. I'm finna hit the gym up. I haven't been to this gym over here in a minute, so I'm finna go shock them. I probably even have to go pay my membership again. I'm disconnecting everything. Yo, imagine y'all before I had to go. I had to get new cards for everything for my business. I had to get new cards for my personal, and that shit is horrible. Waiting on new cards and like now I gotta go and find. Only thing I love about getting a new card is all of them bullshit ass subscriptions that you be having that we have on our phones. Now they can't just like literally take the $9.99, the $6.99, the $13.99. Like they can't get me no more. They can't get me no more. We disputed all of those bastards. Apple was charging me easy like $80 and $7 subscriptions. Like, what are you talking about? Yes, I'm Lakeisha's fitness business partner, so you know we busy. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Lakita's. Oh, okay, I got you. Lakita. Let's go. I like it. So I'm excited not getting all of these little subscriptions like at the end of the night. And those heifers happen at the wrong time too. So I had my account hacked where I just saw some charges that I didn't recognize. So I started disputing them. And then I realized Apple was hitting me with like for so much. And I said, yo, Apple, this is that $14.99 y'all hit me for 6 times? Like y'all can, I ain't even gonna say nothing. They need their ass beat, Jalen. They need their ass beat. I'm telling you, I told them, I said, listen, I ain't even gonna speak that this morning. I'm gonna, I am a man of God now. I am a man of God. So we will not be speaking those terms. I love you guys. I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day, beautiful people. I appreciate everybody showing up. I also appreciate everybody that comes in and hit that like button. And I ain't got to make threats. And I ain't got to like say something funny just for your ass to realize, oh shit, I didn't hit the like button. Oh man, god damn. You know what I'm saying? So we ain't got but like 10 buffoons that deserve their thumbs cut off and their pinky toes dropped off on the edge of the bed. Like, we ain't got but 10 of them here. So it's okay. It's okay. I hope the zone hits when you getting ready to take it, and then liquid tells you you have no signal, so you're not able to get into the trade. I hope that happens to you while the zones are active. I hope every zone hits, and every time you press the button, you get the error message on liquid. I wish that on you today. I wish that on you guys today. Oh, I love it. I love it. Y'all have a great day. Make the rest of your day the best of your day. Go Leffers. Go Leffers. I think go Leffers. Maybe she'll spike up from here. But go Leffers right now. I love it. All right, guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. Yeah, go Leffers. Go Leffers. Where they going? Let's check everything. Yeah, we should get this sales on oil. I mean, I'm liking it. And if gold is going down, I already, like I said in the beginning of class, I think gold drops for the week. I think NASDAQ US 30 goes up. I think oil dies. I think crypto kind of stagnates this week like that and starts pushing, you know. So, because the bulls are back in town, beautiful people. I love you guys. Oh, and you dislike by accident? Oh, and I got a dislike? Oh, get the hell out of here. That's 200 push-ups. That's 200 push-ups. You messing up the stats right now. You messing up the stats. I think you the very first dislike. You the very first dislike. You may want to cut your Achilles right now. I'll hunt you down and cut your Achilles right now, girl. I love you guys. I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day, beautiful people.